LCD replacement and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad S340-14IIL laptop. Thank you, ma'am Rapunzel, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A complete LCD replacement and deep cleaning service were performed on the Lenovo IdeaPad S340-14IIL laptop to restore both its display functionality and internal cooling performance. The device had issues with its screen, and visible dust accumulation indicated the need for thorough internal maintenance. The procedure began with the careful disassembly of the laptop, starting from the bottom cover to access the internal components and display assembly. The damaged or malfunctioning LCD panel was safely removed by disconnecting the display cable and detaching the panel from the frame. A brand new compatible LCD screen was then installed, ensuring that all connectors were seated properly and that the new panel fit securely within the frame. After installation, the display was tested to confirm clear visuals, proper brightness, and no dead pixels or flickering. Next, a complete, deep cleaning of the internal components was conducted. Significant dust buildup was found around the cooling fan, heat sink, and ventilation areas. Common issues that reduce cooling efficiency and may cause overheating or performance slowdowns. Using compressed air and anti-static tools, all dust and debris were removed from the fan blades, heatsink fins, motherboard surfaces, and ventilation grills. This process restored proper airflow throughout the system. Thermal performance was checked after cleaning to ensure that the laptop runs cooler and more efficiently. The keyboard area, ports, and chassis exterior were also cleaned as part of the full maintenance procedure. After reassembly, the laptop underwent final testing. The new LCD worked flawlessly, and overall system temperatures improved noticeably due to the cleaning. With the fresh display and improved cooling, the Lenovo IdeaPad S340-14IIL is now performing reliably and delivering a clearer, smoother visual experience. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.